My name is Allan Bagger. I'm Nordic Account Manager and a Product Specialist at the Adam Hall Group. I'm here with the Cameo PIXBAR G2 Series. It's an IP65 rated LED bar, which comes in two different versions. Both of them have 16 LEDs built in. The PIXBAR 400 IP G2 has 4 colors, and the PIXBAR 600 IP G2 has 6 colors. It's a very high brightness RGBW and RGBW amber in UV engine, which have an accurate color mixing system with 8 or 16-bit dimming. You can control them by DMX, RDM, or even wireless DMX. They are very sturdy build, and the cooling system is fanless, a passive cooling design. The beam angle on the fixtures are 24 degrees as standard, but you have this easy slide filter system, and you just put them in on the side. This one is locked on the other side, and now I'm just going to lock it on this side as well, meaning they are fixed. We also have optional filters with these ones, coming with 55 or 7-degree circular design or elliptical designs with 25 times 55 degrees. And if you want to use a glare shield like this one, just mount it on here and screw it on. As you can see, I've just flipped the fixture around so you can see it from the bottom here. The PIXBAR G2 series has a very clever and efficient connection system for horizontally and vertically mounting. Starting with the feet here, because built in is the spin 16, as you might know from other Cameo fixtures as well. Just locking is in place. I have my standard super clamp. This one is the Adam Hall version. Click it on, lock it, and then you are good to go. Just going to dismount it again. Take the spin 16 down. Because the whole bracket here can actually be removed, or you can slide it from side to side for truss spacing positioning. When I take the fixture here, I have another option for mounting vertically. So this one is called the VERTI-MOUNT. This is magnetic. So when I put it on here, you can either ground stack it or hanging from the truss. I'm going to show you how to truss mount it, because it needs to be lock secured. And with the VERTI-MOUNT, I'm just going to lock it in here. Lock, and then extra securing, which you might know this one. Now it's locked. And then I can twist on my Omega bracket, and then you can mount it like this. I'm just going to take it off again. See how simple it is. Remember, it's magnetic. Because the VERTI-MOUNT can also be used by placing on the floor. So now I'm just going to take the fixture over here, because in the back here I have a steel square base from Gravity. And this steel square base here has an M20 adapter in the bottom here. So I can actually take the full adapter, mount it here, and tighten it. And just tighten really secure, like this. Make some space, like this. And the same adapter as I used before, going to place it here. Could probably do this much faster than I can, or I can fast forward in the video if you want, but usually quite quick. So 4 bolts in, which is included when you buy the adapter, and just gonna take secured mount here. Needs extra ones. So now I have it ready. Maybe you're just gonna put it on the side here so you can see it on the side, because the fixture goes up. Remember the magnetics? Now it's placed. And once again, gonna lock it in, and the pin to secure, meaning it's steady. So this one was the M20 adapter for the PIXBAR G2 series. And on top of it here, I have the VERTI-MOUNT. So if I want to stack more of these, because I can stack up to 3 units, I can take another fixture, a little bit up tall, put it on top here. And this is the stack kit. And the stack kit works as in the bottom here. I put it in, slide it, plug it, good to go. 3 fixtures on top of each other, and also the same if you want to mount it from the trussing. So this is the PIXBAR G2 series. Get in touch with us if you would like to have a live demo, or you can also contact me for a live demo, or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.